We are going to discuss how the subjects are related to each other. So, being a lecturer, I know my students will ask questions. So, why we have to study n number of subjects in my course? You can look at the deeper. Each and every subjects are being related to each other. I can tell you with the help of an example. Take a subject called wireless communication. So here wireless is nothing but you are going to make communication with a wire as a medium, or else wireless here is going to be a fixed base medium. Second one, what is the communication here? Communication is nothing but sharing of valuable information among each other. Next, how this wireless communication will have related to each other here is in nature. Whatever the sources delivered by in nature will be in terms of analog. These analog signals can be propagated in one free space. Yes, it can be propagated, but if you are going to make this propagation from free space, it will lead to a much cost. Second one, it will be more complex. Third one, the circuit complexity again will be much higher. It makes them higher. So this will be overcome. So what is the first step we are going to do is by going to deliver, or else I convert my analog signal to be a digital signal. So when I am going to convert them analog to digital, we may have to have a circuit knowledge about it. We have to have knowledge of digital electronics as well as signal systems. With the help of these two subjects, what we can do is we can just convert the analog signals into digital signals, can be able to quantize, round off, all this process can be done. Once it is converted into digital, again this digital signal should be get into one waveform. So this waveform, where I am going to study is a communication theory. In case of a communication theory, how the digital signals can be represented in terms of waves, we are going to study. After this wave will be leaked into one modulation techniques. We have a number of digital modulation techniques like we have PSK, FSK, MSK. So all those MSK, PSK and those are going to be described in your digital communication subject. Once all this being get over, we are going to calculate. Then this modulated signal will be delivered into one low pass filter, or else filtering will be takes place. So designing of filters plays a vital role. As filter design will be you are going to study is just you are studying the filter design in your DSP. So all this filter design will be studied in your DSP. But once the filter design is been get over, again you are going for some amplification factor will be done. Once this amplification is done, then we are going to have it, or else we are going to propagate the signal into one free space with the help of an antenna. So whenever I am going to deliver this is here I am going to have some signals. These signals will be just converted into an EMF signals. Now for propagation of this two, we are in need of a subject called antenna wave propagation as well as RF and microwave. These two subjects will deliver you how you are to convert the signals into an EMF signals. What is the antenna design you are required based on your power analysis. So we have all this design of an antenna will be taken care by this particular subject, and then RF radio frequency as well as microwave. This delivered whether this communication is going to be on a short distance or else going to be a long distance. When I am going to communicate with a short distance, we make use of your RF signals. For a long distance, we are going to make use of your microwave, that is microwave signals. So here it's a single subject, it's a wireless communication subject. So in this subject, what are the various subjects involved is we have to have the knowledge of the digital electronics, signals and systems, communication theory, digital communication, DSP, this is digital signal processing, and wave propagation, RF and microwave. So in this way, If you take any of your courses, all your whatever the subject you are studying from your third semester towards your seventh semester, all the subjects will be have its own relationship with them. Understood? Thank you.